Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. It is Masiwa, wife to Zimbabwean billionaire Stray Masiwa, recently celebrated his 61st birthday. It is a philanthropist, a social entrepreneur, and advocate for education, health, and sustainable development in Africa. She is the co-founder and chairperson of Higher Life Foundation, which she established with her husband Strive in 1996. The foundation has supported over 250,000 vulnerable and gifted students with scholarships and has implemented programs in maternal health, climate smart agriculture, and disease prevention across Zimbabwe, Burundi, and Lesotho. In 2017, she founded Delta Philanthropies, a social impact investment firm focused on health education and economic empowerment. She holds a bachelor's degree and MBA from the University of Zimbabwe and has received honorary doctorates from Bryant University, Africa University, and Morehouse College. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.